Alright, so it looks like we have another Tesla app update. It doesn't really say like anything about what version or what's going on. It just says last update was January 12th, 2023. Oh, here we go. What's new? Alright, so minor fixes. Oh, that's it. And then it just tells you the normal app stuff. So here you go. App version 4.17.0-1566. Updated January 12th, 2023. Alright, so yeah, we'll just update this and we'll see 31.44 megabytes. Update. I don't think there's really much new on it. I don't want all these dumb ads. Alright, so it's installing, and I don't think it's going to show anything new, but let's find out. Okay, I have a service thing coming up. We have live camera information, controls. Okay, nothing's new there. Controls. Nothing new there. Climate. Nothing new there. Location. No, there's not going to be anything there. Summon. Nothing new there. Schedule. Nothing new there. Oops, why'd I change that? I need to fix that. Okay. Let's see here. Was I going to security and drivers? Not really anything new there. Charge stats. Not really anything new there. Look how much I spent charging. Okay. I don't think there's anything new here except for that. Yep, acceleration boost. Safety score. They added nighttime driving, so my safety score is screwed up now. Look at that. I drove at night and now they're mad at me. You see, view last trip. Oh, that's not what I want. Daily breakdown. Yeah, so nighttime driving is gonna mess up my score. Oh, I guess they adjusted it. 97, that's not bad. Okay, so they adjusted the nighttime driving to not hurt that much. But forward collision warning, it has too many false detections, especially when you're doing a left like curve and there's a car parked along the curb. It detects those as you're gonna run into the cars. It's kind of annoying. And then my service appointment. Okay. Yeah, I don't think there's really anything new that you can see. It's probably just minor stuff. But that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.